Hi grades 4, so this is your grammar lesson 1 and this week we are learning about homophones and exclamation marks. So it is week 13 in your grammar books. So please get those out and flip to week 13. Now, what are homophones if you ask? So homophones are, if we flip back to our grammar book, you will find this card. So it says homophones and it tells you what are homophones right at the back. So basically, homophones are words that sound the same, but they're spelled differently. So for example, they have given you the example of the word two as in T-O, then T-W-O as in number 2, and two T-O-O, which means also or too much, right? So I just read that on the back of your card. So remember to take this out and put it on the front. So put it in your Ziploc, but the one on the front of your book. So that's your topic for this week, homophones. And you are going to do your grammar sentences. So the first sentence is, okay, so once you're done reading, you are going to pause. You're going to do your corrections. You're going to write down what are verbs. You need to write down, so you need to mark down your verbs, your nouns, your articles, your pronouns, and your WW clause, right? And then also remember to add your periods at the end of the sentence if it needs a period or it may need a question mark. But for now, most of these, they need periods. So remember to do your vocabulary for the words that are bolded or that are dark black. And let's begin. So the first sentence for this week is, unluckily, however, the soldier lingered to spy on the princess too long. So this is your first sentence for this week, right? Now, you can pause the video right now because at the end, I am going to give you the corrections so that you get to see whether you did the markings correct or you needed some help. So pause the video and then I'm gonna hold up the corrected sentence so you get to see how you did. Okay, so here we go. I hope you finished your sentence and I hope you finished correcting it and did the markings. So I'm gonna hold up the corrected sentence. Here we go. So our corrections for this week were, unluckily, however, remember, I hope you put AR at the top because that tells me these are my articles. So then I put N on top of the word soldier because soldier is a noun. Then I put a VB at the top of lingered because lingered is a verb. Verbs are action words. Also, you need to write down the meaning of the word lingered. Okay, at the back, please remember to write your vocabulary at the back. Now over here, we had to decide which two to choose. The correct one is to, T-O. Okay, then I went ahead and marked my article again. So AR at the top of the, and princess is a noun. And again, I had to choose which of these is the correct form of to for this sentence. And then I put a period at the end of the sentence. So unluckily, however, the soldier lingered to spy on the princess too long. So this was your sentence 1 for this week. for this day, for day one, and I will do the second sentence with you tomorrow.